It's reaping time! Hey Hunters, welcome back, it's Steve, and today I'm back with, well, not a brand new project, but I have two boxes here. They're actually two presents from my Secret Reaper. Now, Secret Reaper is a fun game we play over on Halloween Forum. So if you've never heard of Halloween Forum, it's actually a great forum. It's full of great resources and even better people who love Halloween as much as we do. So every year we do Secret Reaper, which is similar to Secret Santa, but for Halloween. And this is the first year I was participating, and my Reaper, or my victim, got their gift last week. So I've been eagerly waiting for mine, and I was taking my dog Boomer out for a walk today, and I came home and I found a lovely pile of boxes waiting for me. So today we're going to open them up, and I already sliced this one open because I was a little too eager, and I forgot to turn the microphone on in the video. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. The boxes are cute. They're labeled 1 of 2. And they say Happy Halloween on them. And right there too. And open it up. And there's a lot of bubble wrap. So we're going to pull that out. Oh, it looks like it's one thing. Something big. Okay. And that's all that was in there. Okay. Let's open this guy up. Oh, I can already tell this is going to be cute. That's so cool! It's this cute little gourd, but it's cut out to look like a ghost! Ah, it's so cute! And there's a little LED candle in there. I wonder if it has batteries. It does! Look at that! So cute! So I'm actually doing a haunted cornfield farm theme in part of my haunted house this year. So I asked for like farm stuff or anything that could be put on like a porch. And that's just so cute! I'm building this this like farmhouse facade for the haunt, and this is gonna go right on the porch. We have one more box. We're gonna open that up. This one has Halloween written all over it too. You can see on this flap here. And oh, so cute. I opened the wrong box first. I'm sorry. This one has a card. And there's a whole bunch of stuff. So let's read the card. It says Steven. So it's a cute little witch. I don't know if you can see there. And it says, "We've taken that first important step to having a happy Halloween." It says, "We're weird." Enjoy, Texas Lucky, aka Tracy. Thank you so much. This is so exciting. Like I said before, this is my first Secret Reaper, and this is already so great. I'm gonna put the card over here. Oh my gosh, where do I start? Okay, there's some wrapping. Take that off. Wow. I don't know if you can see that. There's some awesome stuff in there. Okay. Aren't these packing bubbles so fun? Okay. Okay. I think this is on top. Oh, cool. So it's like some black leaf garland. This is going to be perfect for my haunted forest to hang from the PVC trees I made. That's really cool. So there's 2 of those. I actually love this. I haven't seen these anywhere. That's really cool. Darn it. I got this awesome pumpkin guy. Look at that. So he's a hanging prop. Wow. Does he have a button? He's got a button. That's cool. Alright, let's put him on the side there. And we got two things in here. Oh cool, LED canvas paintings. So they're like pictures, but they light up. So there's two of those. And they're both like spooky jack-o'-lantern themed. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. This one's got a switch on the side. We gotta put batteries in, so I'll put batteries in. Alright, let's lay everything out. And there we go! I love my reaping. Texas Lucky, thank you so much. All of these items are gonna go perfectly in my office here! Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy Halloween. Take care.